guessing is not effective in chemistry because chemical problems depend on precise relationships and calculations that require reasoning, not chance. Chemistry uses specific rules and connections, like how atoms bond, how reactions conserve mass, and how concentrations affect rates. So you cannot pick an answer randomly and expect it to fit those rules. Think of it like a recipe. If you add the wrong amount of an ingredient, the cake will not rise or taste right. And chemistry problems work the same way. Quantities and steps matter. Many chemistry problems follow clear patterns, such as balancing equations, using mole ratios, or applying conservation laws. So solving them means following those patterns step by step. When you work through the logic, each part tells you what to do next, and guessing skips that helpful guidance. A common mistake is guessing answers on stoichiometry problems without setting up mole ratios, which leads to wrong amounts. The fix is to always convert to moles first and follow the ratio. Another mistake is assuming a reaction will go to completion when it is actually reversible. And the tip is to check reaction conditions and equilibrium constants before deciding. Students also often plug numbers into formulas without checking units, causing errors. A quick unit check will show if the setup makes sense. Visit www.gumballdegree.com to find more videos and resources that show how to solve chemistry problems step by step.